welcome to another video. The menu today is some jerk chicken done in my oven. I clean my chicken, wash, and then I pat dry. I combined some herbs and spices together, and I used a little avocado oil to mix this so it sticks on the chicken and is not dry when I rub this on. Then I'll be rubbing some jerk on this. I season my chicken properly and I will be leaving overnight to marinate. So when I am ready to prep this in my oven, it will have flavor and taste. Once I'm done seasoning, I cover with saran wrap to allow all the flavors to seep into this. There is the finished chicken. The next day, I am ready to prep my chicken. My chicken will be well soaked, and I want it to taste as if it went on an outside grill. Jerk can be done in your air fryer, in your oven, on your grill. Here I started my process. I put in my oven at 350 degrees. Here I am switching the sides to make sure each side gets the same color, and I do not cover. For the first 1 hour, I leave this uncovered. Once this looks like it is ready, at this point, I will add a little mixture of my sauce on it that I will be using on the side to eat this. So once I make my sauce, I will be ready to brush this on to my chicken. For my sauce, I used some jerk sauce. I used some Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, and I just combine them both and I just add to my chicken. In Jamaica, we'll normally ask for ketchup on the side or a sauce. So that is my sauce. At this point, once I brush the sauce on the chicken, I cover with foil and then I add back in my oven for an additional 15 to 20 minutes for this to at least seep in the chicken a little. Once I serve this, I will also have sauce on the side to serve this with. There is my finished chicken ready to be served, and I did prep some rice and peas Jamaican style with some veggies on the side to serve this with. There goes my oven style jerk chicken, and I will also drop in the description section my air fryer jerk chicken. I did not use any oil on this. The skin was sufficient to complete the entire process. There goes my dinner. My chicken is looking all juicy. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. I'll give you a second to subscribe. Hit that notification bell. There you go. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for setting your notification bell. Please remember to come back to my channel Please remember, home cooked meals are important, they are essential, and they are also economical. Please remember, likes are free. Help you, girl. I've been working extra hard to get these videos out. Help your girl by liking, since you're not able to share. Liking the videos will help me to get in YouTube's algorithm. Thank you, stay tuned, and see you soon. That was my Sunday dinner served up with some of my jerk chicken and some veggies.